Hey guys, it's Ben from Currys, and today we're going to look at 3 top features of this Canon mirrorless camera. We'll have a talk about its full frame sensor, how small and lightweight it is, and how easy it is to use. We're going to head over to the lab now so we can look at it in a bit more detail. The coolest thing about this camera is that they've managed to fit a full frame mirrorless sensor into a small and lightweight EOS R series body, which is something that you'd normally find in much bulkier cameras. The benefit of this is that there's no crop factor. So cameras with a smaller sensor will need to crop part of the photo in order to capture the entire image. This doesn't need to do that. As well as this, it's better at shooting in low light settings because it's more light sensitive. So you're going to get clearer and sharper images in darker settings. So if we can dim the lights, we can see how well it does in a low light setting. Obviously, you're going to want to take your camera with you wherever you are, regardless of how big it is. And having something so small and lightweight just makes everything better. It's easy to put away in your bag or to just carry. It also has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth built in, so you can see and share your images to your smart devices whenever you want to. Obviously, not everyone who picks up a camera is going to have tons and tons of experience, so it's great that this is built to be so easy to use. Auto mode is a great place to start, so it does all of the work for you and you can just click away. And as your confidence increases, you can then start to mess around with different settings. Then once your skill set is at a certain level, you can switch over to manual mode and give yourself complete creative control. So if you'd like more info about this Canon camera, you can visit us in store, online, or chat to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.